Inside this patio door frame within a daycare, the lock set has been removed here because the spring broke inside. This one. It used to be longer here and used to attach somewhere inside the lock set. I pulled this spring out using tweezers by the top end. The top end was just normally looped around, but it got stretched out as I muscled it out of the lock set. The lock set looks like this, very straightforward. This faceplate can be removed, but don't have to. It removes with these two screws there, and this one with the slotted screw head adjusts this throw length so it can stick out more or less. The lock set wasn't working normally. This is how it normally works, where the lever has now a range from 7 o'clock position to 11 o'clock position, but it only had just a little bit of range because the broken spring was dangling inside, interfering with the operation. So now I'm gonna put it back in, and this one is done here. It doesn't really need a power screwdriver, but I'm just gonna go for the speedier option at the softest clutch setting, like so. And the door handle installs with these long screws, and then gets a screw cap when it's in place. This goes through some nylon inserts, and of course I forgot the lock lever. So that's the lock lever that has to go in like so, and then put the handle back on through these nylon inserts. Those nylon inserts somewhat interfere with these screws, and on the opposite side two of these holes need to line up, plus there's a plastic insert here which sometimes falls out. I think this was this way. Now I'm gonna be in the way a little bit to look at it. There. And just spin the screws. Need more torque. Maybe not that much. There. There. Fully functional. Without the spring, this lever is a little bit floaty, a little bit doesn't have a solid feel to it, but once it's down, it's locked. Once it's up, it's open. Much better than not having any. The screws get covered with this screw cap, plastic screw cap, like so, and the screw caps get removed with a putty knife, and the throw, like I said, can be adjusted with the screwdriver. Let's see how good it is. It could be a little tighter. Let's do it. There, that's a little tighter. That's good. Maybe a little tighter. There. Okay, I'm happy with that. So that's how it looks, and that's what it takes.